Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys, Valentine's Day is coming up and I decided that I want to be a redhead for Valentine's Day. So I'm actually going to be coloring my hair today. This, you guys, is the safest way to try a new color. No chemicals, it rinses right out. This is such a fun way to play around with color. Like, I'm so happy that options like this exist now. So I'm going to be using hair paint wax, and I've used this before. This particular one is red, of course. So this is what it looks like. Looks super bright, super bold, and that's what I'm all about. So I'm really excited to see how this red is going to look on me. So I'm starting out with my styling products already in my hair. So I applied a leave-in conditioner and I applied a curling cream, so that way my hair is moisturized and it's defined. So I prepped my curls already. My hair isn't soaking wet, but it's still damp, so that's perfect for application. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. And you guys, to help this be a little bit mess-free, I'm going to be using plastic gloves while I apply the color. And also, you guys, don't wear anything that you really care about. It does rinse out, but I did have a shirt from the last time that I did it where it didn't rinse out, and it was probably because I didn't wash it immediately. But just to be on the safe side, don't wear like anything expensive or anything, of course. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start applying in small sections. You guys, this color looks so pretty. So let me see if I can show it to you guys. It's not gonna spill out because it's literally a wax. Okay, there we go. So, my hand is shaking. So this is literally just a super cute, bright red. Yeah. So I love like just transforming my hair. It's so much fun. So this is what we're looking like so far. Really good color payoff. Now I'm going to be applying more because the more product you apply, the more pigmented it will be. So I'll be going over my head a couple times. do have to work a little bit harder on the part that has my natural hair color. Like it seems like I have to apply a little bit more color for it to come all the way through, but the blonde, it takes it a little bit better. Alright you guys, so this is what my hair is looking like so far. It's so bright. This is what my hair is looking like so far after going over it once. And I am about to do it again. And if there's any other colors that you guys think I should try, any other hair paint, try to make sure it doesn't get on my lashes. Any hair paint shades, definitely let me know in the comments. I'm thinking maybe like a green or blue next time, or maybe both. Okay, like a mermaid look. And also, you guys, comment below what you guys are doing this year for Valentine's Day. Me personally, I will not be out. So I'll probably be doing, if I do anything, like an at-home date. But I'm still not really all the way out in the road just yet with everything going on. So, but yeah, comment below if you guys are doing anything fun. And it doesn't have to be with a significant other. Like, I literally might spend my Valentine's Day with my family because it's about love. So it doesn't have to necessarily be about a significant other. So you can hang out with your girls, have a girls' day, have some wine, you know, watch some good movies. So yeah, I'm definitely curious. So share your plans down below. All right, so I think I am done. I'm not in front of a mirror. I literally am just looking in the camera. So hopefully I got it as good as possible. And hopefully I'm not getting this on my wall behind me. But if I am, it should wash off easily. Alright, you guys, so the color is applied all the way through. So yeah, you can see my roots, like it didn't take as much to my roots, but like I said, it may leave a nice ombre effect. But this is the red. Okay, so update as far as this mess. So somehow, some way, the color got through my gloves, and I've washed my hands like 5 times with Dawn. You know, Dawn dish liquid gets everything out, or supposed to. You can't see it on camera, but my hands are a little red. So be mindful of that, you guys. And I'm gonna throw this shirt right in the washer, so that way I can get all this color out. Do that. Look at the curls though. The curls are happy. So definitely, you guys, make sure you still follow like your wash and go routine, or just your styling routine, because you still want to have moisture so that your hair is happy, and you want to have that curl definition. You see how the curls are popping? Yeah, look how long my hair is getting. Like, I'm on my tippy toes so I can get it all in the frame. But okay, anyways, let me stop rambling. I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so welcome back. In case you can't tell from the smile on my face, I absolutely love this color, you guys. First of all, look how pigmented this is. Now, I will say, this wasn't really what I was picturing in my head. This is like Kool-Aid red. This is like a red. So it's very bold, but I'm a bold person. I'm here for it. And this red, y'all, is just giving. Like, it's literally just giving everything that it needs to give. It's a whole mood right now. Like, I'm literally kind of obsessed right now. And then, y'all, the curls. Can we talk about the curls for a minute? Like, my hair looks so defined right now. Like, it's crazy. Like, my curls literally from top to bottom are popping. Like, I'm so here for this. So, okay, let's talk some details about this hair paint. One thing I do want to let you guys know, I have been experiencing a lot of transfer. The last time that I colored my hair, I did pink. I'll make sure I link that video below. I don't remember it transferring so easily, but literally, like, when I was at work today, the blouse that I had on, it had red. Like, everywhere my hair fell, it had red. And then, like, if I would like touch my hair, like scratch my scalp, I would have red on my hands. So I don't know if there's a method that I can do to prevent that. Like, I don't know if I apply like a gel on top or something like that, if it would like lock it in so that it doesn't transfer. But honestly, y'all, I can get around that. Like, this is just fun. Like, to be able to transform your look like this. I mean, y'all, I'm literally like obsessed. Yeah, my final thoughts, you guys, on this hair paint, it's 2 thumbs up for sure. I'm absolutely going to enjoy rocking this for Valentine's Day weekend. Yeah, it's just like a whole statement. So you can wear something like real simple and your hair is just nice and bold. So yeah, all right, let me get off this camera, y'all. I'm loving this red too much. But definitely comment below what colors you think I should try next, because I absolutely will be trying more color. Like, this is just going to keep me coming back for more. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely comment below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.